For over 2 decades, ENPAC has dedicated itself to being the world leader in polyethylene spill prevention products. With low weight but high strength, polyethylene does not rust or corrode and has a high chemical compatibility. ENPAC continues to lead with new products supplying the UK market from its main distribution warehouse. Moving 205 litre drums is done with ease thanks to the poly dolly. Simply position the poly dolly in front of the drum, placing the strap around the front and lightly fastening. Made of tough, long-lasting polyethylene, it is a strong unit which will not rust or corrode. Using a drum tilter, the drum can be easily lifted onto the platform by one person, following which the strap should be hand tightened. With your hands on top of the handles, place your foot onto the kick plate to allow your weight to balance the load to tilt back into moving position. Poly dolly can now move the drum into place just like a wheelbarrow. When horizontal, it is a self-dispensing station. The spill scooter takes all drums up to 205 litres. With its lightweight design and handle, it allows easy manoeuvring and also provides secondary containment for spills and drips. The Drums Up range provide temporary protection against spills. The Drums Up Junior is a smaller version designed for 25 litre containers. The Drums Up has a 74 litre sump capacity that can handle standard drums and container drips and leaks. The Poly Racker is the base unit, a unique one-piece polyethylene rack for 2 drums. The sump contains 380 litres, ensuring spill safety. The Poly Stacker allows the user to store up to 4 drums and is easily loaded by a forklift. The shelf hooks on to allow dispensing, making a most efficient storage and dispensing system. The 4-drum workstation is easy to use. With its 150mm low-profile design, it is ideal for dispensing and mixing liquids. It also allows storage of 25 litre containers. The 4-drum workstation becomes part of your factory floor to enable safe handling of liquids. The removable grates allow easy cleaning for any spills and leaks. The low-profile design of the 6-drum workstation makes it easy to work on and load, particularly with the optional hook-on ramp. Its large size can accommodate several drums and allow room for dispensing on the factory floor. Again, the grates are removable. The 8-drum workstation, measuring 2.5 metres by 1.35, is the largest unit in the workstation range and can accommodate up to 8 standard 200 litre drums. The sump capacity is 292 litres with a weight loading of over 3.5 tonnes, and it is ideal for a large-scale dispensing area. Combining these 864 or 2-drum workstations, it allows maximum customisation of a work area for optimum efficiency. The hook-on ramps make for easy loading with a drum trolley. The link locks are used to connect multiple units together to make a large work centre or dispensing station. There are 8 different sized units in the Poly Overpack range. Here is the Overpack 110 demonstration using the inversion technique. Containing irregular drums is not a problem with the Poly Overpack 110. Its tool size enables the user to handle misshapen 205 litre drums. Simply place the damaged drum on the Overpack lid. Then lift the base over the drum and lightly screw fasten together. ENPAC's Poly Overpacks are not only certified under UN regulations as Group 1 packaging containers, but they are also classified as salvage drums under DOT regulations. Now rotate the drum upright using the correct technique. The user can now place absorbent socks and pillows inside to soak up any spilt liquid. The sorbent being used to change leaking liquids into solid, enabling transportation under UN guidelines. Finally, tighten up the lid, leaving the damaged drums secure. This same method should be used for the Overpack 95, the normal container for undamaged 205 litre drums. The Poly Overpack 20 is a 71 litre drum unit that can store bottles and small containers. It also allows room for socks and pillows to soak up any escaped liquid. With a half turn, the lid is tightened so it can be stored, and the contents can be accessed easily. The Poly Overpack 30 is a 114 litre unit designed for the use of 25 litre containers. It can accept bottles and cans and small drums, or it can be used as an ideal spill kit container. Access is designed to be easy. With half turning the lid, the Overpack is secure. The 4-drum poly spill pallet is only 300mm high, but takes a weight loading of 2.7 tonnes. It is suitable for storing 4 drums and has a 251 litre sump. The low-profile inline spill pallet allows drums to be stored in previously unusable places. The unit holds 4 drums and has a 251 litre sump capacity. The sump of the 2-drum pallet takes up to 225 litres, meeting current oil storage regulations. It holds 900 kilos and is forkliftable. The 4-drum indoor-outdoor storage unit with its lockable roll-top design takes up less room than swing doors and can be used in limited space. It takes a full pallet of 4 drums and has a 250 litre sump, meeting oil storage regulations. It's accessible from both sides by forklift and has a weight loading of up to 2.7 tonnes. The removable grates mean it's easy to clean any spills. A 2-drum version, which is also accessible from both sides, is additionally available. The Hazard Hut is a one-piece moulded 100% polyethylene construction, which means there are no joints or seams to leak. It can hold up to 4 205 litre drums and has a 274 litre sump and can be both loaded and moved by forklift. The big double doors, which are lockable, provide safety and security when the unit is unattended. The Stinger berm is quick and easy to deploy. With its snap-up side walls, it is used in immediate response for industrial, construction and emergency response applications. It features excellent rip, tear and puncture resistance for the most demanding application or terrain. Custom-built options are available in both the Stinger range and the Air Stinger, which enables vehicles to drive in and out without taking down the sidewall. Available in many sizes, this is model 4806, a 1.83 metre square, being used to place a pallet of 4 drums. By simply snapping the sidewalls back up, it can contain any leaks or spills. The drip pillow berm is designed as a portable drip pan. With its weighted base, it won't tip or splash in windy conditions. It is available in 4 sizes and the UV protected pad is replaceable and can be used with all fuels. Any bunds used externally should also be regularly checked for rainwater build-up when not covered. Thank you for your time in watching this video on the ENPAC product range. We hope the information on the sampled range of products has been a benefit to you. If you have a containment or prevention problem to solve or would like details on the full range, please contact your nearest ENPAC distributor.